Get started on your first hike. 10 items to plan for the weather. In this third video in the series, we have 10 items to prepare for the weather. Now that you've selected your hike in the previous video, let's make sure you can choose the right time to hike for the best weather and know how you can maximize the weather during your hike. Number 1, know the forecast for the day of your hike. Go to your favorite weather report and make sure you understand the temperatures, precipitation, and wind speeds. 2, check the weather the day or two before the hike to understand how the weather earlier in the week could impact your hike. 3, if it is sunny, put on sunscreen and bring sunglasses and a hat. It's pretty easy to remember to plan for the sun in the summer. Spring and fall, sun catches us off guard. Those cool days with sun will burn skin without notice. 4, if there is a threat of rain, bring a raincoat and check the storm threat levels. Do you plan like we do? Or are you more of a go with the flow kind of person? We'd love to hear your comments. Number 5, thunderstorms are dangerous. If storms are planned for your hike time, reschedule. If you hear thunder or lightning, know that you can be struck by lightning at any time. If you are on the trail, return to your car or find a structure until the storm passes and you are 30 minutes past the last lightning strike. 6, if it's going to be cold, make sure you pack gloves and a hat. We've had great hikes with warm hands and ears in mild weather, knowing that it would be miserable otherwise. 7, make sure the weather before your hike didn't ruin your hike day. Rain or snow the day before may leave puddles or slippery conditions. Some trails could be flooded, or a wildfire may have closed the trail. When you hike, we'd love to see your photos. Please share them with us on Instagram using hashtag CampBrood. Number 8, wind has special considerations too. Wind can make a hike feel hotter or colder. Additionally, if it is windy, consider a hat with a strap or at least a tighter fit. 9, consider other weather items that are less apparent. If you're hiking the beach, know the tide schedules. If you are hiking at the end of the day, when is sunset? Note, it gets darker in the forest earlier than in an open field. 10, when the weather is expected to change during your hike, dress in layers. Make sure you have a backpack to handle the additional clothing, whether you are going to be putting clothes on or removing them during your hike. It is so convenient to use the pack instead of holding those items while you hike. Weather influences the satisfaction and joy of hiking. By planning ahead, you get to look forward to your hike, and the hike will be more fun and safe. Do you know how to get to your trailhead to start your hike? No? Click the playlist now and watch our next video. Get started on your first hike. Where am I going?